go into social media. Hey humans, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ifemena, and on this channel I post videos relating to productivity, organization, study life, how to make money, and literally just ways on how to win and own your teenage life. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to join the family. For this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 side hustle ideas for teenagers or students. And these are just like side hustle ideas that will not take too much of your time, but you can still make sufficient amount of money. So let's get into the video. I will link all the videos relating to how to make money on my channel down in the description below. The first one is to sell second-hand stuffs. So when I say second-hand, I don't just mean like second-hand clothes and shoes. I mean like stuff that you know you're not using anymore, but they still have some sort of value to them. You can sell them online, and there is Poshmark, there is Depop, there is Macari, where you can sell second-hand things online, and the only thing you have to do is just mail the item to the person's post office, and then you get paid. The person pays for shipping and the person pays for the product. The next one is to start a YouTube channel. I talked about starting a YouTube channel in that other video, so you guys should click the eye to go watch that video. YouTubers make a lot of money. I feel like it depends on the kind of content you're creating, and whether it's through sponsorship, through ads, through selling affiliate products. YouTubers still make a lot of money, and I would not advise you to go into YouTube for the money, because it takes some amount of time, it takes hard work, and you know, a lot of stuff for you to get monetized on YouTube. Like me personally, I've been doing YouTube for close to 3 months now, and I'm still not getting the amount of views I want on my videos. But I know it's going to be a process, and I am committed to it because I love videography, I love editing and everything. So I feel like you should go into YouTube because you love videography, you love editing, and you know, and it will generate into money. You just have to be passionate about it. The third one is tutoring online. Now there are a lot of websites where you can tutor people online, but I feel like this is more for older teenagers, like people that have finished high school, who like have, you know, the complete high school knowledge of what they're about to teach someone. So if you're very good in some subjects and you're very good in teaching people, then you should definitely sign up for tutoring online. I will link tutoring website down below in the description, so you guys should go check it out and sign for tutoring. The fourth one is social media management. Now a lot of small business which are owned by pretty old people, I mean, I consider people from 30 years old downwards to be old, and so they don't really have a good idea of social media and technology. I'm saying for me in my country, they don't really have that idea of social media and technology, and then we teenagers, we the millennials, are the ones that really know about social media and everything, and so you can go into social media management. As I currently manage the social media for the company I work with, but I work full-time, and that's not the only job I do. And I feel like if you're good in graphic design, social media postings, you know, writing for them, that will be such a good idea, and you can make some substantial amounts of money doing that. Go into social media management. The last one is make money off Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where you can sell like your graphic designs. So if you're good in graphic designing, you can sign up on Fiverr and then sell your graphic designs to the website. You can also sell your graphic designs on Canva. That is also such a really good website. I hope this video was really helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below which one of these you're going to try out, or which one of these you already do. The shout out for this week's video is Savior Icon. Thank you so much for being an active member of my channel. So if you want to be the shout out for next week's video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and comment on my video. Also follow me on my Instagram at Ifeokome. See you guys next week. Okay, I love you. Bye.